Let's dive into this explainer on how Brilliant Algorithm turns your kids' screen time into serious coding mastery. It's super frustrating watching kids just endlessly scroll and passively consume digital content, right? So we really gotta ask, are they just consuming the future or actively building it? Well, Brilliant Algorithm's Python Basics course actually turns tech-curious 10 to 18-year-olds into real creators. The secret sauce? Python. It's the actual text-based language powering today's AI and data science. This isn't just about coding apps. It's literally the new baseline for problem solving in any career. Their curriculum is brilliant. It builds these core programming skills up step by step. First up, kids lock down the absolute basics by mastering variables and data types. Next, they start exploring real programmatic logic, using conditional statements and fun randomized inputs. Then they learn to automate tasks like a pro, using loops and custom functions. But here's the kicker, no boring theory. They're actively building real-world, hands-on projects. It all builds up to a capstone, a complete working Python program they code entirely from scratch. They literally learn by doing. It completely flips them from passive gamers to totally confident programmers. So how do they progress so fast? Live, one-on-one mentorship with actual professional teachers. Forget crowded virtual boot camps or pre-recorded videos. This is completely personalized to your kid's exact pace. For us parents, you get ultimate schedule flexibility, vetted experts, and absolutely zero long-term contracts. The results are wild. Parents get to watch their kids unlock some serious creative potential. You can even test the waters with a totally free, no-obligation trial lesson right now. So will your child just consume the future, or are you ready to help them build it?